No. Come on, Jamal. Woo! Oh! Ow! Ow! Are you getting tired already?
Scuffle belly. Dang it. Come on, guys. We got to get some points out of this one. Do you love that chair, Breck? Yes. Do you like beans? Do you like the beans Dada made you? Go Chiefs!
It's because our offensive line sucks. Was that a first down?
I think so.
He just ran 17 yards.
Oh, no. I don't know. Good hands, Dad. Chiefs home opener. Oh, he ran back to the original.